So let's have a demonstration of mobile app of this medical practice management portal. So there are two types of application created on mobile. One is for doctors and another is for patients. So this is doctors end. As soon as we open the application, you can see the first window, which is calendar window, and it appears for each date of current month. So once this is completely loaded, you can see the icons here. So this blue and black marks, which indicates basically the appointments booked. Blue are the one for which visit is also created, and black are the one for which visit is not created. So from this calendar I can go to the current date window by the simple click. Here you can see the blue boxes which indicates the appointments created for today's date, and here it is divided into a slot of 1 hours. So let's click on any of the window based on the choice and go and try to create an appointment. We need to create it for 10-minute slots. However, window is divided in 1 hour. As you can see, 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. we will make it 10 minutes. So mention the patient name, the mobile number and then go to the to time and modify it from 1 to 110 like this. So first it will ask for the hours, then minutes, and then we need to mention the reason for the visit. Once that is done, we need to click on done button and the appointment is booked. Immediately the alert will be sent out at the doctor's mobile number. As you can see icon on top, this is the alert for the doctor. So once the appointment is booked, we need to create a visit for it. So to create a visit, just have a click on it. Now here we need to click on update patient first to fill in the personal and other information of the patient. Here again we have all the facility like where we can link this appointment with previous visit if the patient is visited earlier, and then we can go back and can create a visit where we can mention the medical information of the patient and can also make the prescription, as you can see it here. So all the fields are similar to web app. Once visit also created, then we can go back, and from here there is another important module, that is patient history, where we can electronically see the patient records like this. So on the bottom button we need to click on patient. From there we can go to this history, you can search any record, and for that record we can see the visit of any of the patient like this. All the visits are displayed here, and along with the patient detail. So I can perform search like web application, and the relevant records will start appearing on top like you can see here. So this is how search can also be performed. Now let's click on the next button, that is accounts. So in accounts again the bill can be generated for consultancy or counseling like you can see here, similar to web. Then the medical bills can also be generated for the drugs, and also can be performed the bill search. So it is again similar to web bill search. You can search on any of the bill. The relevant records will start appearing on top of the search result. So this is how this account part can be maintained through mobile app. Another is the inventory, where the doctor can maintain or add the drug inventory for his. So on the inventory we can, like here we can add a drug the doctor need to add any of the drug, once the doctor click on save, it will be added into the inventory list, as we can see it here. Another important feature is schedule. When you click on schedule button, the doctor can view the complete schedule for today's date along with the venue and the number of appointments booked for that date. So that's how this is another useful feature. So this is done for the doctor's end of the mobile application. Let's have a look at the patient end of the mobile application. That is the round circle icon of VRX. You can see it here. So let's open it. Here the patient can perform search for the doctor based on three fields, that is city, and based on the selection of the city, the relevant hospital list will start appearing in the drop down. Let's select the city, then the clinic or hospital list will start appearing here. Let's select the clinic from that city only, and then select the specialty for which we are looking for the doctor, and based on the specialty we can perform the search. So here we can see two search results, and IVR number is also displayed if it is there for the doctor on the right hand side of the window. So we click on the doctor, we can see the detail of the doctor, we can see the complete week schedule of the doctor, like we can see it here for all the days of the week. Then on the bottom we have telephone icon through which we can directly dial to the IVR number of the doctor, like you can see it here. And we can also book an appointment through the mobile app with the doctor. So let's click on the icon, and here on the top the doctor name, specialty and venue is displayed based on the search performed, and on the bottom of it we can mention the other details, the slot and everything, the timing, and can click on book. So that's how this appointment can be booked with the doctor. So from the patient end application we can again search based on the doctor name. So anytime from any window we can't want to go to the home window, we can just need to click on the round circle we can see on top of here. So here we need to mention the doctor name and click on search. So only the doctor's list based on the name will be displayed here, and we can again go to see the detail of the doctor. So this is how this patient end application works on the mobile.